Hey friends, over the holidays I got a new V4 manual die cutting and embossing machine with a 9-inch opening in the mail from AliExpress. It's such a cool online marketplace that sells direct from manufacturers and wholesalers to consumers. I'm kind of a craft supply hoarder, so I'm pretty excited to give it a go. All you have to do to get it going is screw on the handle and you're ready to emboss. Look at how huge this embossing folder is. The first thing that comes to mind is embossing leather. Here I'm just giving it a go with the included extra large embossing folder. Works like a charm, and now I'm on to my project. I've decided to make some embossed metal valentines and add some beading around the edges. Why not? I'm using a thin aluminum flashing that I got at the hardware store. First, I'm cutting it to size. Here I'm using serrated edge scissors. These scissors cut the metal and give it a butter knife-like wiggly edge so it's not terribly sharp. Place the metal into the folders, these are some of my own, and run it through the machine. Okay, these look really good. When doing a little more research on this machine, I found out it has a metal handle and a steel roller system, so it provides a larger motive force and embossing pressure. That's great for projects like leather and metal, and also for die cutting. Trace your heart pattern onto the metal and then cut it out with the serrated edge scissors. I'm colorizing them with alcohol inks. Here I'm using one color for the center and going around the edges with a darker color. Don't worry about blending, they do that on their own, but if you want to blend a little bit more, you could just spray it with some alcohol. Now that they're colorful and dry, I'm going to sand them to expose the design. I always love how this looks. Take the heart pattern and dot every 3/8 of an inch around it. Then transfer the dots to the metal hearts. I have a jewelry punch, so I'm going to punch out the hearts around the edge, but you could use a thin nail and a hammer on some scrap wood as an alternative. Now that they're punched, I'm picking out my beads and some thin wire. Thread the wire through one of the holes on the side. Add 3 beads and thread it through the next hole. You don't have to, but I'm going through the holes once more before I add the next 3 beads. I love how this looks. They're super sturdy and delicate at the same time. Cut some sticky felt hearts to cover the back, add a ribbon on the sticky felt for hanging, and then press it on the back of the metal valentine. There you have it, beaded embossed valentines. These are super special and would look great on a Valentine's Day tree or given as a gift to someone you love. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want projects I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.